And as we await those details, we want to turn to this brand new Where's the Money investigation, because there are some major changes coming to the North Carolina court system, and some are concerned a technology upgrade could change how the court system is run. And also, they're worried this could cause major problems.
This upgrade already has a history of issues across the country, including shutting down courts temporarily. On top of that, this tech comes with a $100 million price tag. WCNC Charlotte's Michelle Bowden has the exclusive details and what you need to know.
We've been digging into this, and in some places across the country, we're talking inmates mistakenly released, others mistakenly held in jail, even delays in custody and divorce cases. And court officials admit this is unprecedented. They don't know how this complete overhaul is going to go, and there are already costly problems.
A nightmare. Court could grind to a halt.
From defense attorneys to police officers to the clerk's office to the prosecutor's office, there is a lot of uncertainty and a whole lot of concern about new computer software set to completely overhaul the way things are done in North Carolina's courts.
The Odyssey's coming. I guess it's kind of like the rapture. We know it's coming. We don't know when, but when it comes, everybody's going to have to deal with it.
Odyssey is the name of the new case management system. Most people refer to it as e-courts because everything having to do with a court case will now eventually be online.
And right now, the computer systems don't really talk to each other. In other words, the clerk's office computer doesn't really communicate with the sheriff's office computer because of the way they're configured. Odyssey should change all that.
The software is designed and implemented by a company called Tyler Technologies. They've placed this software in communities across the country, and we did some digging and learned it's not always a smooth transition.
I'm very concerned. The stories that I've heard most about are just in terms of the massive time added, that it causes real delays. It takes a lot longer to do things.
One of the first parts of the program that's already in place here in Charlotte is called e-warrants. There were problems launching e-warrants and continue to be problems using it. Back in August 2021, at a meeting led by Mecklenburg County's deputy county manager, Mecklenburg County's chief information officer told the Criminal Justice Advisory Group that, quote, Tyler Technologies continued to struggle with several defects, pushing the go-live date for e-warrants back from September to October, and that the county was not getting the help they needed from Tyler Technologies, and, quote, there's no indication this pattern will change. In fact, there were so many issues, e-warrants didn't launch until August 2022, more than a year after it was supposed to. Now that the system is in place, it's slowing police officers down.
Officers are taking more time at the intake center processing people because of the e-warrants.
Meaning police are off the streets longer. In an emailed statement, the sheriff admitted the new system was adding extra steps and arrest information is not as real time as before. And the warrants are just a small part of this pending statewide overhaul that will impact every part of the court system, from speeding tickets to family court, divorce and custody issues, to murder trials and everything in between. Mecklenburg County's district attorney told us in an emailed statement, quote, we expect there will be significant challenges with the implementation of this program in a jurisdiction with a case volume as large as ours, but we're optimistic any steps toward innovation in our court system are a move in the right direction.
2 years from now, it may be great, but there's going to be a lot of growing pains.
We've been asking Tyler Technologies for their side of this. So far, though, no response. The system is being rolled out in Raleigh first. That happens on Monday. And then here in Mecklenburg County in a few months, depending on how things go there in Wake County. We did a deep dive on this technology and discovered problems dating back almost 10 years in other jurisdictions as they made the switch. We're going to have that part of the story tomorrow night. Back to you.